Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to open Lloyd's bank account for international students. So let's get started. So the first step you have to do is to go to your browser and now search for student Lloyd's account, and now click on the first link. Once in here, click on ready to apply. Now click on continue to the website. Now if you want to continue using your mobile phone, scan the QR code or just click on continue. Now answer the question if you're an existing Lloyd's bank customer, and also if you already have an UK account. Now click on next. Now fill in all of this information about you and now click on next. Now here enter your address or your postal code and click on next. Now here you have to give a summary of your entire address. So make sure to fill all of these text boxes such as the building number, the building name and also the street name. Once you do all of that, click on next. Now here it will ask you some questions about your financial status, and over here you'll also need to enter your monthly income and now click on next. Now here enter questions about your own household. Now here they're asking you how they will communicate with you. Now for example, by clicking on yes on email, they can contact you using your email. So answer all of these questions and click on next. Now here they're going to ask you more questions about communication. Now here they'll ask you if you need to switch from a different bank account to Lloyd's. And now here make sure to type all of the information from your last bank and now click on agree. Or you can just click on no. Now here you'll see different kind of accounts and you can choose any one of them. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.